Hey everyone, I've been living in Bayreuth since 2009 and now it's finally time to share this beautiful city with you. Enjoy! Welcome to Bayreuth Step by Step, a new series where I will take you through the city of music, parks and hidden gems. Subscribe for more adventures. Enjoy! But today we start right here in the heart of the city. This area is called Luitpoldplatz. In front of me it's the town hall and around me a green area full of flowers, just a peaceful place. This is one of those free book stands you will find all around the city. You can take a book, read it, and improve your German, English, or whatever language do you learn. Everything for free. I love this idea. Let's take a few steps forward and see what this enchanting place has to offer. This is one of the many places in Bayreuth where you can enjoy some really good ice cream. I'm relaxing on a bench, enjoying a traditional Bavarian snack, a Leberkäsebrötchen. That's a warm slice of meatloaf, usually made from pork, beef and bacon, served in a bread roll with mustard. It's a true Bavarian classic. The name translates as liver cheese, but don't let that fool you. There is no liver or cheese in it. That's it for today's episode. Next time we are heading to the scenic Tierpark Röhensee in Bayreuth Zoo and Lakeside Park in Wann. You won't want to miss it. Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching.